What is good, you guys? It is Kai back with another video, and today we have a video on 5 tips to get into the concert photography scene and shoot shots just like this. Concert photography is an absolutely amazing thing to get into. Step 1 and 2 are kind of going to dive into the 2 different routes that you can take to start building a portfolio, building a network, meeting artists, and meeting venues. So the first step that we're going to talk about, and this is the route that I took getting into concert photography, is going to a venue who's having a show that night and showing up and saying, hey, I am a photographer, I have all of my gear on my person, wear a backpack, have all of your gear with you, wear all black, be ready to work, be ready to go. Say, I am a local photographer hoping to build a portfolio in concerts, live events, and sports. Is there any chance that I could get a photo pass for the show tonight to help build this portfolio? I will work for free and I will give you all of the content that I make for you to use and for the artist to use later. This, as a venue, this is a no-brainer. If someone shows up to you with a camera and says, listen, I can make good work, I can provide you value, and I will do it all for free tonight, I'm ready to go, that is a no-brainer. A lot of the times you will end up with a photo pass and you will be down in that photo pit taking pictures. This is an amazing way to start building a portfolio and building your name around in the concert scene, especially local, smaller shows. This is perfect. Now, this is the little thing to this. Don't go to like Chance the Rapper, okay? It's probably not gonna happen. But if there's some smaller artists coming to some smaller venues around you, go to those shows first, build up that portfolio, build up that client base, build up your style, and show that you truly can provide value. And then, Chance, bro, I'm coming. We're coming for you. I'm coming for you. Start small and work your way up to the bigger venues, the event centers, and stuff like that. Now, the second route you can take is also an amazing route to go, and it is always a good idea to kind of combine these two together. So let's say an artist that you like, a smaller artist that you like, is playing a show at a local venue. DM that artist, DM their management or email their management, and also DM the venue. When you DM them, say almost those exact same things. Say, listen, I know you're busy. If I could have 15 seconds of your time to read this message, I'm a local photographer looking to help you out with this show. Actually, you know what? Let me read you the exact message that I send to people. Hold on. Okay, this is what you're gonna say. You're gonna say, hello. I'm reading this from my iPhone. You're gonna say, hello. I know you may be busy, so this will only take 30 seconds of your time. I'm reaching out in regards to your show at blank venue on this date. Insert the date. Insert blank. Yes. Okay. Understood. We got that part. Next, you're going to want to say, hello, my name is Kyle or Kai. Don't put Kyle or Kai. Okay. Put your name, please. Say, I'm a photographer in the area. I'm reaching out looking to earn your business. I've been in the creative industry wanting to expand my talents into concerts and live events. The best thing about me reaching out to you, and capitalize this, for some reason it helps, just capitalize, it is completely free of charge with no strings attached. I'm confident that I can provide fresh, new content and massive value to your venue and the artist. I'm looking forward to hearing from you, and thank you for your time and this opportunity. Okay, so if you're sending this to a venue, obviously say for your venue and the artist. If you're sending it to an artist, say I can provide massive value for you and your social media and the platforms that you utilize. Something like that, something that shows that they are going to get something out of you getting a free photo pass. Usually it is very good to utilize both of these methods. Now, this is not a guarantee at all that if you do these steps and you follow this template that I've given you and do all the right things, that you will still end up photographing a show. If there is a venue that just is not responding to me, or an artist that isn't responding, and that happens a lot, okay? In this industry, there's gonna be people that don't even see your DM, don't care to check their DMs, don't care about you and your photography. That's just how it is, okay? It's the show business. It's you're gonna get ghosted a lot, you're going to get ignored a lot, you're going to get rejected, and you're just gonna have to learn how to accept that, deal with it, forget about it, and move forward. Okay, step number 2, after you have secured your first show, this is what is going to help you stand out right away to the venues and the artist. Is once you are done with that show that night, you're done taking pictures, go home, edit as fast as you can. I'm talking about you're sitting there, I'm fast as fuck, boy. I need you to edit so fast that you're generate lightning from your fingertips, okay? It has to be good and it has to be fast. If you can show that you can provide value quickly to a venue and an artist, not only does it show that you're good at what you do, but that venue is going to love that they already have content to post from that show that night. Okay, now we're gonna assume that we've gotten a couple shows under our belt. We'll say 3 shows. If you've done around 3 shows, the next thing that you need to do to start booking out more shows is build a portfolio. Go onto Squarespace, make a website. I'll pull mine up right here, you guys. It just went live with the new domain. I officially have my own domain, kaiimedia.co, which I absolutely love. But build out a website with your portfolio, build out a way for people to see your work, message you, email you, make a place where people can see the value that you can provide them and how they can get in contact with you. Building a relationship with the artist. If you're photographing a concert, most of the time you have a 3-song maximum in the photo pit. So that area between the stage and the crowd, photo pit right here, boom, you can be there for 3 songs, then usually you're kicked out and you can take photos anywhere else in the venue, just not in the photo pit. But a lot of the times, once you get the photos that you need to do, you'll have the freedom to go back into the green room, hang out with the artist, get to know them on a personal level. This is an amazing opportunity to network, build a relationship with these artists, and hopefully work with them more in the future. Next time that they come to your area, say, hey, listen, this is my Instagram. The next time you guys are here, please DM me. I will be here and I will do another show for you guys for free. I would absolutely love to work with you guys. You guys killed it tonight. Something along those lines. Get to know them too. Like, don't make it all about business. Go hang out with them, just talk to them, grab a beer with them when you can. Assuming you don't have another artist coming on right away. So go talk to them. I promise you, you will not regret it. And it builds that network for future opportunities. I hope you guys enjoyed my 5 tips to starting out in the concert photography scene. If you guys did, be sure to hit that sub button. It would mean the absolute world to me. We have a ton more content coming out very, very soon. If you guys have any questions that I did not answer in this video, be sure to DM me on either Instagram or Twitter. The link will be right here. I would love to talk to you guys, and I'm always here to help if you guys need anything. But I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, don't forget to hit that thumbs up button, and I will see you guys in the next video.